buddy. You might want to cover your ears. Yeah, is that black bottom? I need to, let me find my other phone so I can read the definition of black bottom. Damn, I left that phone in the car. I told y'all I turned my AT&T. Oh, I think they said, and it's got Wi-Fi now. Oh, they sure do. That's good. It's slow already. It's connecting slow. Left lane. Ran a 903. Dang. They Wi-Fi so slow, it still ain't connected. Come on, it just say connecting. Let me see.
All right, boys, so next up,
Okay.
Demonology coming back up for another test pass.
Demonology.
Getting ready for his run with Playboy Jeezy. Let's see
not
how
from
it
the whole
goes.
Yello Belly, just from his events. We'll just find another event to go to on them days. He said he rather the, how he worded it? How he worded that shit. Then they even put a little lie on me. Look out, man. Yeah.
One of my good guys, man.
What's up, man?
How you doing?
Growing in the YouTube business. And,
Are you?
Yeah, man.
everybody know him.
We at 22,000 subscribers now. We've been jumping it up, man. We be live streaming all the time.
Talking about.
We getting everything
Lookout
done.
Racing.
Yeah. We just started all the way from the bottom. No sponsors, none of that. Just regular. Trying to get one, but I ain't got it though.
You're the
got
sponsor
sponsored for the Hood Picnic September 28th.
Yeah. Look out, we got my boy Ethan in here, man.
Hi, Bubba.
We got him in the building, y'all. Big boss man.
And then right there where it says spectators, it will say presented by Camera Time.
Let me see.
And then on this flyer,
Let me see. I'm gonna let John boy check it
right,
out.
and then so on this flyer, somewhere.
And then they said, yeah, we want the real media guy. What they say about me? I guess he was trying to say I was a fake media guy. You remember the dude that sprayed the water on that dude? I thought you was at Yello Belly. I thought you was there when that incident happened. Okay, but you heard about it. Yeah. Okay, well, the same guy. He didn't want to be with a media guy.
Always offer your delivery. Always offer your delivery gloves. But then when you go and
film
push
some
it,
dude.
you give them this and this and this and this.
Plus
this and this and this.
Because then that makes them want to come back next year. So like this year, I'll do $3 grand this year. And then he said, hey, I'm gonna put you on camera, we're gonna do this, we're gonna announce the name, we're gonna do all this stuff. And then we show up and it's
No, that's
presented by
Wi-Fi. I turned this phone off on
like
accident.
with his event, right? He did a
Yeah,
live
they talking about,
stream.
yeah, the guys with 5K cameras, not their cell phones.
They did a
He
live
say,
stream the other day and was talking
on top of running around the lanes, blocking all of the real media guys. The real media guys is 1320 with the 5K cameras. The thing is, they don't be saying that in person. That's the part I don't like. They don't be saying none of that in person. In person, and in they text messages that they'll message me. Yeah, buddy, you want to get on the media list? Yeah, it's gonna be $100 to get on the flyer. And then they smile in your face all the time. They want to take your place. Back there, ever. They smile in your face. That's what they wrote, man. The real media. And then they say, or like trying to say I'm your friend and watching a dude 39 years younger beat your ass instead of trying to break it up. That's trash. Like, what? I get all that just for recording, doing my job, for videoing? I can't go to I can't be media no. That's messed up. Yeah, they say I'm trash, and look what they be doing. Dang. I'll be doing trash stuff. Woo. Look out, look out. We got demonology in the building, y'all. Getting this shakedowns on. You know.
I'm gonna make a Nike shakedown.
Yeah.
I raced Luna today, and man, I judged my air pressure wrong in my tires, and I spun, and spinning ain't winning.
Yeah,
so
spinning ain't winning.
There you go. But I got out on a hit, but I spun, boy, and she ran like.
It was spent. It spent in first gear or second gear?
First gear.
First gear, okay.
Yeah. Right,
get all the way out there then.
Yeah.
Okay, well we got Texas Motorplex crew staff, y'all. They over there. They got their buddies glue. You know, buddy from college. Yeah, they got they glue from their buddy from college. And they finna get everything hooking and booking. That way, oh, we got Playboy Jesus later on tonight? Yeah. Okay, bad. Trying to run who?
I'm trying to run it with these wheels first.
Okay.
Then if I beat him, then I put my big wheels on.
Okay.
And he don't want to take that chance.
Okay. Oh, so you run the big wheels too?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna try to beat him. Oh, they finished. We're gonna make sure he gets